Hey guys, are you tired of this? Then let's take a look at the OverEz water from OverEz Chicken Coop. Stay tuned.
Hey everyone, this is Alexis from Dynasty Preppers, and we're here to help you get through 2020. Make sure you hit subscribe below and keep your family prepared.
All right, thank you to OverEz Chicken Coop for sending this out to us to take a look at today. This is their 12-gallon OverEz water, and I think it's a really great solution, at least for us in our area here. Let's come in and take a look at some of the features here. So this is a hard plastic waterer, and you've got the low spill nipples on it, so that they're not messing up their water and getting their feces and other items like that in it. Also, it helps keep the water clean. And one of the biggest things I like about this is the lid and the ability to fill it there. Now, like I said, it's 12 gallons, but the lid itself also has a port on it where you can put a heater in it in the winter. So in this area, it's going to be really good in the winter to help keep the water fresh and available for the chickens. Right, so we're all about all natural things here, and one of the things I really like about the instructions that they send here is that it does say to include 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar to help keep the water clean and to help keep your chickens healthy. All natural tips like that I really appreciate, and I'm glad to see that they included that in here.
The OverEz chicken water comes in at 16.25 inches high, 12.5 inches deep, and 22.75 inches long. The water is made with UV protected plastic and is BPA free. Here's a good shot of the inside of the water, which does hold 12 gallons. One of the unique features we really liked about this was the pass-through option in the lid, which allows you to pass a cord through for a heater in the winter to help keep the water from freezing. One of the biggest frustrations we had with owning chickens was the fact that they just made a mess of the water completely all the time. The nice thing about the OverEz chicken water, it is designed to be freestanding, so you don't have to hang your buckets anymore, and it's self-contained, so your chickens aren't going to make a mess of the water. Helps keeps things clean and sanitary.
Alright guys, we have our water set up in our coop. We put it right inside of the door so we could easily fill. One of our biggest things for wanting this in the first place was so that if we wanted to leave for a couple days, we wouldn't have to have someone come over and water and feed every day. We did go ahead and set it up on a couple cinder blocks. We do have all large breed chickens, so they're going to want this height. So I'm going to go ahead and add the raw apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use raw because that's what we use for our family and to keep us healthy, so I want to do the same thing for our chickens. So I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball about 1.5 cups. Brand new bottle just for the chickens.
So this has been about 3 months since we put the chicken water and feeder in, and they have been amazing products. We've really enjoyed these. Let's go ahead and drop down and take a look at the water here. So this is the water from OverEz Chicken Coop, and this holds about 12 gallons of water. We do not have to fill this that often, and it makes maintenance very, very easy. Where we place this, it makes it very easy to just drag the hose around and go ahead and fill the top of the water. And it lasts for a very, very long time. One of the things I was surprised about was just how quickly our chickens actually picked up using this. It's got the standard nipples on here, and the birds were drinking out of this within like the first half hour out of putting it in, and it was really easy to train them to use this. So this has been a lifesaver, and if you're looking for automation in your backyard chicken setup, I really think this is a great option. So that was a great look at the OverEz water system. It's a great addition to your backyard setup, and it's something that will make your life easier. Make sure to check them out below. If you found any value in this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's the best thanks you can give us. Like the video if you like it, and don't forget to stay prepared.